The first question is, tell me about yourself. I'm someone who loves turning data into business impact, especially when the pressure is on. Over the last 6 years in analytics, I've led teams, mentored analysts into leaders, and delivered results like saving 7 crore annually through smarter campaigns. Whether it's leading people, influencing direction with insights, or jumping into the trenches to fix a broken dashboard before a major review, I take ownership. That's what excites me about consulting. Solving big problems that matter. While why should I hire you? Because I have solved real problems and with high stakes, coached others to perform, and turned crisis into systems. I'm not afraid to lead, follow up, or jump in wherever needed. And I learn fast.